What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student at a South Florida DMV. As usual, I cannot tell you where I am at, but I can show you, what it looks like, so you can make up your mind if you know where it's at. Alright, so I'm here with a student. She's about to do her driving test. She has been practicing. She's pretty good, actually. So we're gonna run through the test as it's gonna be done at this particular DMV. Alright, so they're gonna ask you to do the turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Alright, so they're having you test the brake lights. They're gonna be standing outside checking to make sure the brake lights are working. The horn has to be working. The turn signals has to be working. Otherwise, they will not let you use that car. And nowadays, they're actually checking to make sure your tires are good. And they will not take you in a car if it's not good. So they're going to ask you to turn the steering wheel all the way left. And then they're going to check the tire. Once you do that, then you have to straighten the wheel. So you turn twice to the middle, like that. Make sure it's straight. Then the examiner is going to come into the car and gonna give you instruction as to what to do for the test. So we're gonna run through it one time. Alright, so we're gonna reverse and go to the left. So put it in reverse, look behind you, and roll slowly back until your mirror is past the end of the line. Do it slowly. Like about here, you're gonna stop, turn all the way right, and look behind you as you roll back. Good. Put the car back in drive. We're going to go to the stop sign and make a left turn. Early morning, y'all. See, the light's terrible, but yeah, it's doable. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to make a left turn. So you come to a complete stop here. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make your left. Make sure you're going to your right lane. And we're going to go down to the stop sign at the end of this road. And we're going to make our left turn. Signal left. And we're going to come to a complete stop. Again, 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. Stay close to your right side. Go all the way down. And then we're going to make a left turn down at the end. So we're gonna make a right turn past this tree that's sticking out there. So again, we're gonna go slightly out into the middle, and you're gonna go until your mirror is past the curb here, slowly, and turn all the way. You're gonna go into the right lane, and then you're gonna straighten up, straighten the wheel, and stop. Alright, now they're going to ask you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. It's called a quick stop. So go ahead, speed up. And stop. Alright, cool. Now they're going to say reverse in a straight line. Look behind you. And just let it roll straight back. Look behind the whole time. No gas. Don't use the mirrors, right? Make sure you're looking back. And stop. Stop for something. Alright, go ahead. Alright, we're gonna close to the right side. And we're gonna park in between those poles. Alright, so we're gonna line up the mirror with the pole. Up a little bit more. Alright. Turn all the way left. Straighten up in the middle and pull straight in. Alright, cool. Alright, now you're going to reverse straight back. Alright, turn all the way to the right. Back up until your mirror is past the middle. Like that. Drive. You're going to pull up next to the line on the right side because this is where you're going to do the 3-point turn. Close to the right side. Right, stop here and do your 3-point turn. Signal left. Turn all the way left. Turn all the way right. Look over your left shoulder and reverse. And again, you're going to reverse until your mirror is past the middle here. Like that. Stop. Put the car back in drive. Signal left. And turn all the way left. Stop sign, and we're going to make a left turn. So you make sure you come to a complete stop.
Okay.
Let's stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make a left. Alright, so we're going to go down and park where we started, and that's the end of your test. And this is what the DMV line looks like at 7. It's not too bad today actually compared to some days that I've seen.
With dogs and everything. All the families here.
Yeah. It's not that bad. I've seen it much worse. Alright, so we're gonna make a left turn. And then a quick left turn. Make another left. Right, and all the time you're staying in the right lane, right? And we're gonna park in between these cars, the gray car and the white car.
Gray and white.
Yeah. Right, so you signal left. And again, you're gonna pull up and line up your mirror. Alright, signal, turn all the way left. And straighten the wheel and pull straight in. And stop. Put it in park. Alright, so what do you think? How you think you did?
I did great.
You did
I'm gonna
great?
do it better. The actual test, I know, because I have the best issue, you know.
Yeah, she did good. She's gonna pass for sure. But, yeah, she did good. So again, please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Tell them again, subscribe,
so
and
everybody
share.
can learn how to drive.
Yeah, precisely. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.